welcome, ladies. Are you ready to shake it up? Good morning. Just wanted to start with some excitement. So if you are on with me, let me know. And welcome to your Daily Dose, day 11. All about shaking it up today. And what are we talking about? Our nutrition, right? So I'm Coach Shanda, so excited to be with you today. And we get to make a healthy shake together. And I want to say this shake, this is like dessert for breakfast. What's better than that? Good morning, lady bosses. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Again, Daily Dose, day 11, Shake It Up this week is all about securing our substance, and we are going to dive right in, ladies. Are you ready? Yes, good morning. Oh, so just before I do start, I want to make sure you're utilizing your awesome playbook, tracking your progress, utilizing the meals that are in here, and tracking your points, of course. And then again, I love the roadmap. You know, I love checking the boxes, don't you? Yes. Okay. So, ladies, do you struggle with breakfast? Skipping breakfast? Like, you know, busy morning, woke up late, hit the snooze button one too many times? Yeah? Don't want to cook? So, I am going to show you a quick and easy, simple way to get the fuel that your body needs in. We are going to make a healthy Reese's cup shake. And it's so simple, okay? So here we go. You ready? Yes? Okay, so I've got my handy dandy little blender, okay? And I want to say you can even make the shake. Now, if you are on the go, like really rushing, you can skip the blender part, okay? Just have your shaker cup, okay? And manually do it. They're part of your workout, right? So either way, but I've got my blender here, and again, it does not take that much time at all. So I've got a couple ice cubes in here, and the most important part right here is the yummy goodness with our LadyBoss Lean all-in-one nutritional shake for women. Okay, it's grass-fed whey, gluten-free, soy-free. The other thing that I absolutely love is the hydrolyzed digestive enzymes. It's easy on our tummies, ladies. Yes, yes. I will say, I mean, this is the first protein shake that it does not irritate my tummy whatsoever, okay? And vanilla cake, like really? That is one of my weaknesses. So this, for me, is a lifesaver, especially when my sweet tooth starts to take over, right? You know, you can just open it up and dive right in and do lots of different shakes with this, bake with it, lots of different things. So we're going to put a scoop of our LadyBoss Lean vanilla cake flavor in there. And so don't forget the lean, ladies. Okay, so we've got that in there. Now, the next ingredient is the chocolate part. Okay, so I'm just using unsweetened cacao powder, however you want to say it. Okay, so about 1 tablespoon on that. Boom, in there. Okay, and the next thing, we've got a couple different choices. So, for the Reese's part, okay, we've got it. We just put our chocolate in. So you can use peanut butter, suggest all natural peanut butter or cashew butter, almond butter, whatever you prefer, and 1 tablespoon. Now make sure you measure this out. So if you, again, are rushed and can't get to a tablespoon, okay, we use the okay sign right here. So just make sure that we're not overdoing it on that. So if you are able to measure it out, that's one of the best tips that you can do. Okay, so this gives us our healthy fats for the day, which is so important, important part of our daily nutrition. Now let's say that actually, you know, maybe you're doing this shake at the end of your day, and you have, you know, hit your limit with your healthy fats for the day, but you're like, oh my gosh, I'm craving a Reese's shake or something, peanut butter chocolate, just give it to me. So a good idea, so you don't go over for your day on your healthy fats, is to substitute with the powdered peanut butter. This is the PB Fit. There's also a PB2. So this is another great way to get in the peanut butter flavor without putting you over, you know, with your healthy fats for the day. So just another added tip there. This is a great thing. And another thing too, this is a great one if you're making the shake on the go, to use this. It mixes up a little bit better if you don't have your blender handy, you know, readily available. So we've got the lean, we've got the peanut butter, we've got the chocolate, we've got the ice. Next, we got to pour in the liquid. So I use the unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and or you could use water. So 8 ounces or 1 cup of that. And let's try not to spill this. Okay, so we've got all the yummy goodness in here. So that's another thing too, is, you know, like I mentioned, if, you know, you've had a healthy breakfast and maybe there's another meal that you're struggling, or, you know, that to get in for your day, you know, what's the hardest meal to make for you, or that you find you may be skipping? Replace it with a quick and easy shake to get that meal in. And again, with the lean, this gives us all the nutrients that we need for that meal, quick and easy. Okay, so I'm shaking it up. I know I have a blender here, but just wanted to mix it up just a little bit. So ladies, okay, here we go. So this is where the loud, plug your ears. Okay, still see some peanut butter stuck on the side, but that's okay. I can scoop that out later. So look at this. See, my mouth is watering. So, oh, you know, another little thing too, if you're using this as like a dessert, they have the almond milk or even coconut milk whipped creams now. You could put a little dollop of that. Yes. So cheers, ladies. That took no time at all. And I've got my nutrients here that my body needs. So cheers. Let's drink up. And then we got the shake stash. So I want to see your healthy shake, or if you've already made your shake, let us know which one you made. You know, this right here is just heaven in a cup. I still got my shake stash going on. So no excuses, ladies. We've got to get that nutrition in, and so important in the morning. You know, when we go to sleep at night, you know, our bodies are, you know, in a fasted state, hopefully anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. And when we wake up, our body needs healthy fuel to jumpstart our day and to give you that energy, you know, to kickstart your day. So let's get those shakes in. And again, like I mentioned, you know, if let's say want a snack, you're missing your snacks, right here, put a scoop of lean in your shaker bottle, put a scoop of the cocoa powder, put a scoop if you have the PB2, and bring an extra water bottle, shake and go. And you can even do that on the road, no excuses, or at your desk. That's a readily available snack right there, and to ensure that you get that fuel in your body, that healthy fuel. So ladies, I want to see what shake have you made today? Oh, we said chocolate almond milk. That is delicious. My kids love that chocolate almond milk. That's a great idea. And we see here, usually have my shakes for lunch. Perfect. Yes. So ladies, let's get those shakes in. Okay. So let me know. Let us all know the shake you had today. Let's, you know, post your shake stash selfie. And let's keep it going. So have a fabulous day, ladies. Let's rock day 11. You got this. I'll see you soon.